What's good, Wealth Builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the Wealth Builder himself, Devon Puddlework Burke, and today we're talking about Coinlist Pro Review, the Wealth Builders way. Let's go.
To say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel and you share these videos. We talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you, and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. Coinlist Pro Review, the Wealth Builders way. All right, so let me drink my water. Thirsty. Hold on. Love this water. Very good water. Check the link in the description for it. But anyway, so you want to start investing in crypto, right? Right. But you don't want to do the regular, like investing in Bitcoin or Ethereum or anything like that. So you're looking to find the next golden goose that's going to make you the next crypto millionaire, all right? Millionaire or billionaire or gazillionaire. The sky is the limit. The sky is the limit with crypto right now, right? Well, if that's the case, then Coinlist Pro is for you. I ran across it. I did some research on it. Started using it, right, for a minute now. And it's been on point with the whole setup. I like it. I like it a lot. The key things I love about Coinlist or Coinlist Pro is access to popular new cryptocurrencies, right? Before anybody I know, but somebody else got something on it. So it's easy, fast, and hassle-free crypto buying and selling. Mobile apps for iOS and Android. Advanced and accurate trading experience. Quick crypto conversions. Has a very, 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 very good beginner-friendly platform. You can do crypto lending with it, so you can definitely lend out your crypto and make some money on it. Staking rewards for several crypto assets. You can get referral rewards for extra earnings, and they even have an very extensive knowledge hub. So, you know what I mean, it's secure, safe, and compliant with regulations. So you can't really be mad at this whole Coinlist Pro thing. Like, it's one of the few apps out there that I can actually say is worth the trouble of switching your investments over to. Because I know it's kind of annoying if you're working with another platform and then you find a new one and then you got to change everything over. But I think Coinlist Pro is definitely something you should look at. The only few things I don't like about Coinlist Pro is the fact they don't accept debit or credit cards at the time of this video. They might do it in the future, but as of right now, they don't. They only allow you to set up an ACH or wire transfer. They only accept USD fiat, and they don't have live chat support. You would have to send an email. That's at the time of this video. Who knows if things change or when they will change, but this is at the time of this video. Now, I would definitely test the water with this app and see how it works for you first. Like maybe do 1 or 2 small investments on the app, right? And then if you want to take your portfolio and move it there, it's on you. But out of a 1 to 10 rating, I would give this a 7.5. Yeah, 7.5. But anyway, if you have an app that you would like to be reviewed on my channel, send me a message. Like I said, the Coinlist Pro app is very good. I have no complaints. It would definitely behoove you to take a look at it if you're into crypto investing. All right, and make sure if you want me to check out your app or do a review, it kind of coincides with this channel, all right? And if you're an open-minded person and want to learn how to build a business online, check out the link in the description. It will teach you how to build an online business, give you the ability to get an 800 credit score, increase your weekly income, and provide a stable passive income. All right, so you can't go wrong. All right, with that being said, thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon. Put in work. Signing off for Coinlist Pro Review, the Wealth Builders way. Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, we save more, and we build more.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.